The following movie is rated I.
What is up today in Cheezy's Garage? I picked up this VL726 vacuum from VacLife because they claim that this is better than the vacuum that I tested the last time. So let's see if it is. This one's rechargeable. It has a motorized brush. So we have a filter, a crevice tool.
That's what she said.
The wall charger, a power head. This should work really nice on these rugs. A brush attachment, a cleaning tool, the vacuum, and a user's manual. Well, it has a HEPA filter. Let's get this fully charged before our tests. It has a light. Promising. Let's charge it fully. Let's see how it does without the power head first. Not bad. Way better than that Walmart one. Let's see how it does with the power head. So I started at 11 o'clock. Oh, it's got a little button for the light. Wow. Really good. Like really good. Reminds me of the Dirt Devil. Used to have that little power head on that Dirt Devil. Keeping it running. Wow, still says it's full. Wow, and the battery's still good. Jeez. Let's get the seats. Let's do this rug. Sounds like we're full. The motor started picking up. Let's check it out. Wow. Impressive. Not a lot of loose dirt, but man, it filled this thing right up, didn't it? Wow. Let's keep going. That's the cleanest it's been since I've owned it. Impressive. So wait a minute. Oh, I see. It's got a pre-filter on top of the regular filter. Pretty good idea. Nice. Yeah, I know I could just pull this out and shake it, but I want to see how good it gets in there. Let me check the time. I guess I did shut it off for about 30 seconds. 13 minutes straight. Well, I used 1 bar in 13 minutes. Very impressive. Wow, I really like it. And I'm not just saying that. Like, this is the best battery powered vacuum that I've ever tested. You know how hard it is to get dirt out of these felt rugs. I wish there was a gauge I got a vacuum gauge, but I don't think it'll pull up on this. Pretty good, and it has a metal blade. Usually they're plastic on these little ones. Oh yeah, you got some dirt that time. Wow. They must make a vacuum gauge, right? Not like for the vacuum for a car. I don't think that'll work, will it? 15 minutes and it used 1 bar. I'm gonna have to go find some stuff to vacuum. I can see it lifting the sand out. Right there's a lot of sand. Florida sand. Let's see if I can get a close-up. Leave this running. Run out of stuff to vacuum here. We're at 20 minutes and the battery's at 2. Blows that Walmart vacuum out of the water, huh? Holy cow. VacLife. Well, if that's all they do, they should be good at it. Let's try this entryway rug here. See if it sucks that up. Yeah. My house vacuum has a hard time with this. There's another 3 minutes. Takes the cat hair off. Well, down to 1. Flashing. I don't think it's going to go much longer. Dying. Well, that's it. Let's see what time it is. It's 11:37, so this thing went approximately a half an hour on the very first charge. I'd say a half hour is a good estimate of the battery life on this thing, which is pretty good. Let's see how much dirt we got this time. You can't go. You can't. The door's open. Let's see what we got for the last vacuum. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, look at that. That looks like all cat hair too. Wow. Oh, there's that tie wrap. Two big thumbs up. Nice long battery life, good suction. Plus it has this power head. They used to call it a vibra beater on the house ones. Highly recommended. If you're looking for one, I put the links below. Thanks for watching the cheesiest reviews on the internet. That's right.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.